He's right here.
Harley, get out of there. Harley, hey.
Oh!
Oh, redfish. No drag here. Look at that pretty guy.
Oh, I didn't even see him there. We're leaving 7-Eleven, the Tavernier 7-Eleven, got fuel. Karsten and Alex. What up? Wow. Eho!
Do they know you or something?
No, they like Harley.
And they like the puppy.
Oh, they like Heiko.
I'm not always center of attention.
Whatever. We got no food, so hopefully we
No
get something.
food.
Absolutely no food. We have just enough fuel to get there and back. So.
And we got tents, so we're gonna stay on the beach overnight, deep in the Everglades.
Yeah, we got tents, we got sleeping bags.
Where there's lots of alligators, crocodiles.
We got a magnesium little starter.
Yeah, primal weekend.
We're
Yeah.
using primal. We're gonna give it hell.
Damn, this looks fishy in here. There was something right there. Holy shit, that's a big gator. Oh, I didn't even see him there.
Alright.
You want to keep it? Or just throw it back?
That's a good shark bait. Throw them in that bucket right there.
All right.
I mean, you can put them in the live well, actually.
All right.
It's not gonna hurt.
Just had a mullet jump in the boat. Bait. Free bait. This looks like home sweet home. This is kind of nice because there's like a trough. It's like an actual beach. Wow, it's real sand. Ow, there's some sharp shells here.
Alright, here, babe.
Woo, that water is cold. Damn. Well, Harley's already exploring. She was probably gonna find herself a nice crocodile. Okay. Got the grill and the propane. Well, hopefully no strangers come or the skunk ape comes out of the bushes and steals all her clothes.
There are so many seashells. I want them all. I want every last seashell.
We're gonna need a big bag then. Karsten's over here taking pictures of the boat. So now we're gonna try to catch a fish, huh?
Go catch a couple snooks.
Are snook in season right now?
No.
Damn it! Ah. Leaving our new beach home to go catch a fish.
Around a little bit south. Like some docks or something.
Tis the season.
Never fished this spot.
Whoa, look at all the bait.
Oh man.
What are those?
God, look at them all.
One shrimp.
Black out the live well?
Oh shit! Did you see that tarpon?
Right there?
Yeah. I think something just whacked me, I think. Oh. I thought that tarpon was a crocodile for a second. How deep is it?
8 feet.
Okay. That's pretty deep. 8 feet? Ah.
You get the bottom.
Damn, I got the bottom. Man.
The bottom.
Oh, man.
Pull the plug on the whole ocean. You won't be able to get home.
All right. Yay.
Yay.
Hey, I caught something.
You caught something. Harley, are you a happy dog?
It's
Look at her.
squishy.
How happy she is.
It was more of a nibble than a bite. Oh, oh. Yes. Yeah. What we got here?
Catfish.
Oh.
Oh.
All right, catfish. You do not want this. Trust me.
Harley, get out of here.
One of these sent me to the hospital once when I stepped on them. Oh, nice. You got a de-hooker. Great. Perfect. Does that count as getting the skunk off the boat? And then,
It does.
all right, now it's time to start fishing. Carson's got a fish on. That was a nice little jump there in the beginning. He went flying out of the water.
Come off. We don't have a. Where's it? Snook. Oh no, it's just a snook.
It's a snook. Woo-hoo-hoo!
Look at that sucker.
Nice. I'm gonna chuck my shrimp over there.
Nice, stacked up.
Where's Big Mama?
Where's Big Mama?
Where's Aunt Jemima? Okay, so there's just fish all over the place.
I think they're behind. I think they're in this structure here. Kind of getting out of the current a little bit. There's a sunken branch over there too. Do a few more casts here, then we'll start fishing closer to it.
Oh, that seagull is not cool.
Unless he drops it.
Drop it! Drop it!
Oh no.
Oh, wow.
He did, okay.
He wasn't even hooked. He just didn't want to let go of it. Oh, jeez. My shrimp's still alive. He's probably like, he's like, just end it already. Like,
He's got it.
I think I got my shrimp stolen from me. Oh, no, there's a shrimp on there. Oh, I got my shrimp that time. That was probably catfish messing with us right here. That'd be pretty fun being a shrimp flying through the air like that.
Let's get ready on the bow.
All right, I should probably take the phone out of my pocket.
No, you're gonna be good.
You don't think I'm gonna fall in?
No.
Okay. Oh, yeah, okay. What if there was just like 4 raccoons like opening the Yeti and like, I'd be like, hey, and they all look at us and they're like all grabbing shit and scaring off.
Get their doors back. Grab everything you can and run.
Am I walking this anchor to the beach?
Yeah. Go off that corner. Alright, yeah, just throw that anchor that thing up somewhere right now, and then we can unload.
Higher up?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Oh, I almost stood on him.
Yeah, don't want to touch that.
So we got a nice little sinker. Oh yeah, double wired. Fancy. Nice circle hook. Put our piece of mullet on there. Our mullet that jumped in the boat. Okay, should we use half the mullet or a third of it?
I would do a third of it.
Yeah, I think so too. All right. I think there's, where shall we slice him?
Probably right by the rod.
She's bluffing. That's a chunky.
3 chunks. What do you think? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a shark by its throat. How does it go? I don't know.
Eeny.
See the head.
All right.
All right, Heiko. Do the honors. I mean, this knot should kind of go through there a little bit. I don't know if you want to cat. Yeah, probably better off this way.
All right. Just give it a good old cast. I feel like a shark's gonna bite me right now. Woohoo! That went further than I thought it was gonna go. Now we wait for a bite.
Got it. He's got it.
He's got it?
He's on.
He's on?
Oh, no, he dropped it. That drag was a little too loose.
Ooh, well he'll
He's
probably...
back on it, though. He's back on it.
He's back on it? Oh, ho, ho. I just saw a fish jumping over there. Oh, there, yeah, see that? Something's just jumped right there. Oh, there it goes again. Damn, we should maybe throw a shrimp out there on a jig. Look at that. There's like swirl right out there, kind of where the bait was. Let's see if there's teeth marks on that sucker.
I mean, nothing too crazy.
Hmm.
I'm gonna send it back out. Call me the king of the beach.
Splash. Nice, nice. All right. Back in action. That was exciting. Had a little bite. All right. Time to throw a shrimp out. Go on, shrimp. Give me a little some. It's sharky out here. Very sharky. Oh, it stole the bait. Oh! Oh!
Got him on. Oh yeah.
Yeah, he's hooked. Oh! What is that?
Get him, Mike.
He's going towards the boat.
You got him.
He's right here. He's gonna beach himself. He jumped. I don't want your dog to get bit by this thing. I think it's a spinner shark, maybe, or a black spolta.
Harley, get out of there. Harley, hey! Oh, you're gonna get bit. That's a black tip, I think.
Or is that a little bull shark?
Harley.
Good guy.
A little remora came off of him. Ooh, I don't know, man. That finger's awfully close to that shark. That mouth. All right, he's off.
All right, guy. See you later. Thank you. Very cool.
One shark check mark.
Campsite.
What you got there?
Little catfish.
Catfish.
Little shark bait. Sharks don't discriminate. That
Shark
was
bait. Ooh, ah, ah. All right, show us how to make a drink.
What you got to do first, you got to find an isolated beach here. About 100 miles from any man-made anything. And then you're going to grab yourself a White Claw. Now tip that thing upside down, just like that. You're going to wait. I know you guys have probably never heard of this. This is called Tito's. It's a handmade vodka. And you're just going to do a little... That's that. Look at that beautiful boat over there.
The sun's going down. We got a shark.
Oh, he's jumping!
He's jumping. Oh, I see him.
What is that?
Oh. Yeah, that's a sunset fight, all right. Damn.
I mean, the second that sun hit that horizon, we got hooked up.
He jumped right in front of the sunset too.
Oh, yeah.
It was great.
Beautiful.
Is the weight still on there?
Nah, he broke.
Oh.
There's like a fallen down tree over there or something. I could feel him. He was scraping on it.
At least I got video of him jumping, so we have that at least.
Let's see, we got nothing but braided line. Yep.
Good morning. Okay, little morning fishing action. All right, come on, slam on. How deep is it right here?
10 feet.
Doesn't feel like 10 feet.
I know, it feels like you're at the bottom right away.
Yeah, that's what it feels like for me too. Don't eat it. You are getting sleepy. I can't tell if my bait's getting to the bottom or not. Oh, come on, eat it. Oh, oh, I almost had that one. What kind of tiny ferocious animal out here could be doing that?
Two freaking monsters were just sitting right here.
Oh, baby. Small snapper?
There's some good ones in there. I just got smoked by a nice one.
Free lining. Oh, I see the snapper down there. There's a bunch of them. There's a lot of snapper down there.
Oh, what the? Oh my God.
Whoa, your shrimp.
Yeah.
He's jumping. Holy shit. That was wild.
Dude, my line went screaming off too.
Get another hook on, get another shrimp on. Maybe the big boy will eat the little shrimp.
Maybe.
All right, I'm about to get slammed right here. It's going to happen right here.
Oh, broke me off.
It could have been a cuda. I had a fish on, but it got himself in some kind of roots. Oh, something just grabbed my shrimp. Oh,
Get him out.
got him. Yeah, he is a little juice ball.
That's a keeper. Oh, there's that snook. There they are.
He smells like a good mangrove snapper. That is a big snook. Oh. Beautiful mangrove snapper. I'm gonna let him go unless you want him.
No, I'm good.
If he was like 2 inches bigger,
Yeah.
I would have smacked him. This is it. This is the shrimp.
This is the last shrimp at this location.
Ooh, that's a big mangrove right there. I'm gonna go for the big mangrove. There's so many small ones though. We both got mangrove.
Balls.
Juice balls.
Doubled up on the. Oh! Bye bye. Hey, actually, let's save him in case the Goliaths are at this next spot.
Alright, okay. Snook, 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 snook.
Try and kind of Harley. Oh, look at all those sheep's head.
Oh,
Look at all those snooks.
oh, fudge. There's so many of them.
Big snook over here.
Big snook?
Oh, oh boy. Okay, there's a lot of snapper. I hope they don't get my shrimp. There's a snook right under the boat. He just went under. Oh, these snapper. A snapper just ate my shrimp. How dare he? They stole my shrimp. Yeah, they're right here in the mangroves. Is that a Jew fish or something?
Big snook right there, dude. Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
oh my God. He swam right past.
Yo.
Come on, eat it.
Real,
Eat it.
real,
Eat it.
real.
Shoot. That could get him. That could get him to bite maybe. Looking at my bait.
Oh my, the snook arm?
Yeah.
Oh God, dude.
Come on, eat it. It's just staring at it. It's like touching it with its nose. It like knows it shouldn't, but it can't resist. Wait, no, he didn't.
Oh.
Eat it.
Right there.
Oh, he touched it with his nose. He's right here. I know, there's one over here too. He just looked at my bait. Come on, just eat it. Like,
This one looks hungry, Heiko.
okay. No.
Snapper. Oh, that's.
Oh,
That might fire him up.
dang it, this. There's a big snook under this guy. Trying to get my circle hook out of the snapper's mouth. 1 shrimp and 2 snook. That sounds pretty kinky.
Look at him.
Look at them all down there. Another snapper. Little baby one. It's just a baby. Oh, little Jack.
Well, Jack attack.
All right, little Jack.
That would have been a nice shark bait.
A very nice shark bait. Yeah, buddy.
No drag here. No time for drag here. Oh man, they're such strong fish. It's crazy. Nice snook. Very beautiful fish. Barely hooked. Ooh, look at him go. Harley, say hi. Bye-bye, buddy.
Snook number 3. Oh, is that a snook?
It's a redfish.
Oh!
Redfish.
No way.
caught a redfish here. Wow.
That's exactly what I want.
Look at that pretty guy. Harley.
Woohoo! Damn!
You gotta be kidding me. Wow.
What do they gotta be? Like 18 or something?
Yeah, I really don't like to kill them, but they gotta be 18 to 28 inches, I believe. Damn. The tail.
Yeah, that's beautiful fish.
Just short. Even if we were gonna kill him, which we wouldn't never kill you, dude. Man,
I'd
look
kill
at this.
him.
Alex would kill him. I wouldn't kill him.
Damn, he gets the special treatment.
Oh, didn't even need it. Wow, that's pretty cool, man. You don't see too many redfish in this area. 3.5 feet still.